Hey Pitmasters, what is up? Today we're going to find out what the best way is to cook your sausage. Here in Europe, each country has their own style of cooking sausages, and within the countries there's even a regional difference. There's competitions for smoking sausage, for cooking sausages, and we're just going to compare two of the ways to cook sausages. For today I selected coarse ground sausages, and these are medium coarse ground, so they got a little bit of chunks of fat and chunks of meat in them, so you actually get a good amount of flavor profile and texture in your mouth when you bite into it. The two most popular versions of cooking sausages with barbecue is beer braised or smoked, and that's what we're going to do. First we're going to start with our beer braised sausage. For beer braised we're going to start by cutting up some bell peppers, and I got them in all colors. We're going to slice these bell peppers and put them in a bowl. Now I'm going to slice 2 sweet onions. We'll put all of that in a bowl, put the sausage on top, and now we'll add the beer. This is a German beer that has been brewed by the rules of the Reinheitsgebot. Now we'll put this on the grill. We got our Kamado Joe Big Joe set to a temperature of 200 degrees Celsius. We'll let this cook. I'm lowering the grill grate a little bit so we get a lot more heat on our bowl. We really need that temperature to be up to cook the beer. Our other sausages we're going to be smoking with beech tree. Beech tree is very local right here, and basically it's all we smoke sausages with in the Netherlands. Maybe a little bit of oak, but beech mainly. We are going to cut up this lung into smaller chunks so we can actually determine the amount of smoke that we add to our sausage. We got a small charcoal fire on one side of the grill, and the other grill is set up to indirect heat. We'll put in our sausage. This one is open in the end, and this means if we put this on the grill, it's going to release all the juices while cooking it. That's going to be a waste. It is what it is, and it's not going to be the perfect sausage, but luckily we got another one to replace it. Now we are going to add the chunks of smoke wood. We're going to start with these smaller ones. They're going to provide a lot of smoke in the beginning, and that's what we need to get that smoke flavor into that sausage. We are going to close the lid, and once these smaller chunks stop smoking, we're going to add the bigger chunks. Of course, we need a sauce to go onto our sausage, so we're going to make our own version of a sauce. With sausages, I always like to start with a big healthy dose of mustard. Then I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of our homemade sweet chili sauce. If you want to find out what the recipe is for that, go to our pastrami video. To this we're also going to add ketchup mayonnaise, 1 tablespoon, 2 teaspoons of Mr. Lee Perkins' sauce, and finally a big amount of honey, at least 5 tablespoons. We'll stir this up. Now of course we need to test this. Yeah, this is going to be perfect for a sausage. Our sausage is fully cooked. It turned from beautiful pink to white. Look at that. Time to take it out of the beer. We'll let this reduce down, and when it's fully reduced, the onions and the bell peppers start caramelizing and release all that flavor. Then we'll take this off the grill. Look at this sausage. See how the case captured all of the juices that are in the meat? That's exactly what we want. We want to keep the juices in there, so when we start eating it, it is like a flavor explosion. Let's check on our smoked sausage. Wow, they're starting to look good, and you want to feel them. They need to be dried up on the outside and then also cooked on the inside. They need a little bit longer, but they picked up the right color.
What are you doing now?
I'm taking out the grill grate because it's just too hot and it's going to damage the outside of our sausage. I just want to let it cool down a little bit. Our bell peppers have been reduced down, the onions are done, so this is perfect. Now that the grill grate is cooled down a little bit, we'll put it back on the grill and we'll put our sausage on. I could hear one of the sausages just pop. That's what I actually wanted to prevent, but now they're done. There we go. Look at that. A nice light sear on the outside, beautiful caramelized skin, but still juicy on the inside. Now let's take our smoked sausages off. That's a lot of smoke. Wow, look at these things. They look absolutely fantastic. Now I can already see that there is a big difference between these sausages. The beer braised sausages, which have been grilled afterwards, they're shrunken in size. If you compare those to our smoked sausages, they are way bigger. Let's put this on the bun. Now for presentation purposes, we're gonna cut this bun open on the top side. We'll put some of our bell peppers and onions on. We'll put our sausage on, and on goes our sauce. Look at this. Now the other one we're going to do without the bell peppers and the onions, otherwise it wouldn't be fair. The flavors would blend in and it would kind of like turn out the same. Now this is my favorite part, the taste test, finally. What immediately strikes me is the smoked sausage. I want to eat it, it's perfectly brown, nice color, so that's what I'm gonna do. Look at that, it just looks really good. Kramp in mijn kaak. My jaw is wearing out from all the Akonda style bites. Look at this. When I bit into the sausage, it popped. The fluid squirted out. It was fantastic. The skin is nice and crispy. Fantastic. Look at the smoke. We got a nice bit of smoke ring here on the inside. Absolutely beautiful. And the flavor of the sauce goes really well. It's really nice balance with our sausage. Here, give it a try.
I was craving for this.
This is the first time you ate a really home smoked sausage, right?
Yeah.
And how good was it? Was it the best sausage you ever had?
It's beautiful. This is how a hot dog should be.
Well, that is a tall order for our beer braised sausage, which we are going to try now. It does look good with the color. We got green, red, yellow, a little bit of white from the onion. And then the sauce, it looks good. Will it taste good? There we go. This is a whole different story. It's not the same sausage, it doesn't have that strong smoked flavor. And then, I don't know, the beer braised onions and bell peppers, they kind of reduce the flavor of the sausage. It becomes a little bit overwhelming. It's still a good sausage, but it's nowhere near the smoked sausage. Now you give this a try.
I will never get that same high again from the first one.
No, we did it in the wrong order. We should have started with this one.
Beer doesn't allow me to taste the sausage.
Boiling the sausage only takes away flavor from the sausage, while actually smoking the sausage, it just adds or enhances the flavor of the sausage. From now on, my preference is going to be smoked sausage for sure, but it has to be a fresh smoked sausage. Now I want to know from you guys what your favorite way is to barbecue a sausage. Let me know down below in the comments, and if you like this video, then leave me a big thumbs up. See you guys next time. Until then, eet smakelijk and keep on grilling.